Hello, statistics students. Welcome to another video on modeling linear trends, example 6. Example 6 talks about choosing the predictor and response variables. Indicate which variable you think should be the predictor, which is x, and which variable should be the response, or the predicted variable. Explain your choices. And so letter A says you have collected data on used cars for sale. The variables are price and odometer readings of the cars. So typically, when you see the odometer on a car and you see that's got very few miles on it, you expect the car to be kind of expensive because it hasn't been used much. But if you see a lot of miles on the car, like 500,000 miles in your car, you would expect it not to be worth that much because it's pretty worn out. We don't usually look at the price of the car and say, oh, that's an expensive car, so it's going to have a lot of miles on it. So it's the other way around. We're going to use the odometer to predict what the price is. So we are going to get a response variable of the price determined by what the odometer reading is. So we would say that predicted value price is determined by the predictor, the odometer read. Part B. Research is conducted on monthly household expenses. Variables are monthly water bill and household size. We know that if we have a very large household size, we're going to be spending a lot of money in water because of all the showers and the toilet and everyone's turning that faucet on. We typically will not look at a large water bill and say, oh, that had to be a large household size, because there's other reasons that it could be a large water bill. So that means that the household size is the predictor and the response is going to be the monthly water bill. We would say that if we know how big the household size is, we can get a good idea for the monthly water bill. Personal trainer gathers data on the weights and time spent in the gym for each of her clients. So when they say data on the weight, so that's the weight of the person, not the weights in the gym. A personal trainer gathers data on the weights and time spent in the gym for each of her clients. So for this one, as a personal trainer, if we're training them and we know we can get them to work out pretty hard, we know that time spent in the gym is going to cause them to lose weight if it's done right. Therefore, we're going to use the predictor of time spent in the gym to have a response of weight or weight loss. So the predictor X is time spent in the gym, and the response Y is the weight or weight of the person. And this concludes this video on example 6.